This easy Vanillekipferl recipe is an authentic German vanilla cookie recipe. They are so tasty. They are like sandy cookies and really good. They have ground almonds in there, and I love them. They taste very good, and we always make them for Christmas. So we will share the recipe with you, and stay tuned. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. For the Vanillekipferln, I separate 2 eggs. I use the egg yolk for this recipe, but I will use the egg white for a different recipe, so stay tuned. I will post some egg white recipes, like cookies with egg whites, probably next time. So I separate them and I will use the egg yolk. I add 200 grams of cold butter and just cut them in cubes. Now I add 150 grams of sugar. I mix everything very well. Now I add 1 pack of vanilla sugar, 150 grams of almond flour, 300 grams of all-purpose flour, I mix everything very well again. There you go, my dough is ready. So I transfer it onto my workspace. This Vanillekipferl recipe is one of our regular recipes we do every year. First I knead everything together and then I form my dough into a little roll. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means so much to me. Thank you very much. Once I have a roll, I cut it in half, put half aside, and then roll it out again a little longer and thinner. Now I cut it in half again, put half aside, and use this part of the dough. I roll it again a little smaller, and then I will cut it into little pieces and form the Vanillekipferl. I cut off about a finger thick slice and then roll it a little bit, and sometimes it's going apart like this. Then I just roll it again and shape it into a little half moon kind of shape, and then I transfer it onto my baking sheet. There, and then I just keep going like this, cut off a finger thick slice and then roll it in between my hands. It usually works better, and then I shape it into a little half moon, and usually in the middle the cookie is a little thicker than at the ends, and I think this way it looks better. So, and then I keep going, cutting off a finger thick slice, rolling it in between my hands, and then shaping it into a half moon, into a Vanillekipferl. Sometimes if I don't want to do all of the cookies right away, I put just a part of the cookie dough into wrapping foil and then just put it in the fridge and then do it later on, and it works very good. Sometimes I prefer to have the dough cold, then I put it in the fridge first and then roll the cookies out. But usually I like the dough right to make the cookies right away because I like the easy handling dough, because the cold dough is harder, and then for me it's harder to handle, but it's just preference. Do you have a Christmas cookie staple recipe or a tradition that you do every year, the same cookie recipe? Let me know in the comments below. I'm quite interested in those recipes. It's quite interesting how everyone has different traditions and how it works out. It's so nice. So let me know. Once I have a sheet full of cookies, I place them into the fridge and let them cool for at least half an hour, even longer. And then they don't melt away kind of when they bake. I preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the cookies for 15 to 20 minutes. It depends how brown you like them. I let them cool and then I sprinkle some icing sugar on top. I had about 60 Vanillekipferln. Sometimes if I'm in a hurry, I just scoop them with a cookie scoop and bake them like that, and that works out fine too. So it depends in what stage you're in life. If you have little kids and are busy and you have no time for making those Vanillekipferln, you can just scoop them and make little cookies, and they are good too. And here you go, a little view of the little Vanillekipferln cookies. They taste very good. We love the sandy texture in it, and the almonds, the ground almonds in there. And here I will try one, the first this year. It's so good. I love it. Yeah, here, this is how it looks inside, just like a normal cookie. Well, thank you so much for watching. Maybe you want to watch this video next, or maybe this playlist. See you there. Bye.